Good morning again. Angela here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be using a 14 by 11 canvas using a white, and this is Artist Loft white mixed with Floetrol and water, and this is a mixture of pale green and white, and this is by Arteza. So those will be my my split. The white will be on top, and the green, pale green, will be on the bottom. I'm gonna use Iridescent violet, magenta, crimson red, and lemon yellow. So those are the colors I'm gonna use, and it's going to be a Dutch pour. Okay, I am back, and I'm just leveling my canvas right now, and it's pretty leveled. So, and I've already put the tape in the back, to the painter's tape, to prevent the paint getting under there. So let's get started here. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Thank you so much, and enjoy. beautiful is that? Wow. It is pretty. Lots of cells over here, and this is actually how I want it to look like, because the green, and then you can see the negative space over there. Wow, wow, wow. I am going to bring you a little bit closer and show you how this turned out. I'm happy with this one. This right here does not mix too close, because I don't want it to. I want it to just look like that. Torch it too much. We have all this right here. It's beautiful. And right here, maybe we can have. Whoa! There we go. Happy with it. What do you guys think? Beautiful. This is a little bit hard finish. Trying to see if I can make it soft. There we go. Over. Same as this one. Soft. There. Close up. Look at these. Oh, look at these cells. What a beauty. Look at the iridescent purple and gold on top. The other one in it. I'm sure there's a lot of colors in the under, but I don't know if I want to expose all those colors. Like if you look right over here, there's that purple, and the red is right underneath. I don't think I want to see all the colors out, so I am not going to torch it or tilt it or anything. So this is how I want to look at it. But look at this. Wow. And these are the corners by using my little blower. It's actually really useful. I was wondering if I'm gonna have any use for it, but yeah, it's useful. It saves me some breaths. But look at over here, guys. Look at all these pearls that I got. So you've seen all of it. You've seen all the cells. You've seen all the different parts of it and how they turned out. Okay, and here's the painting dry. It didn't change very much from when it was wet, but yeah, it's all the bright colors. Look at the green, negative space, looks really nice. The only change, a little bit shift, was that white pearls that I had there. And I ended up putting a little bit contrast on this side right here and another one on the other side. That way you can have a nice balance. So yes, I'm happy with it. The cells are still here, these big white cells. Yes, very nice, very nice. And on this corner, we still have those beautiful cells over here. Beautiful colors. Yeah, so yes, that's how it turned out. Beautiful, and I love it. So yes, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow, like, comment, give me comments, let me know how you like it, and I'm hoping that you liked it as much as I loved painting it. Yes, so I will see you on the next video, and God bless. Bye.